We all know shortcuts are high maintenance, and it's okay if you don't. Okay, let's talk about it. If you're thinking about cutting your hair, listen up. I always say, a woman who cuts her hair is a woman who's on to a new, beautiful journey, cutting all the old energy out. Now, everyone cannot wear a pixie cut or a short cut. They usually look the best on oval face shapes, but anyone can rock a short cut as long as you have the confidence. Short cuts definitely bring out your facial features. It's important to know your hair texture as well. Like with some hair textures, it's best to get a relaxer so that your hair can lay down within the molding process, or in some cases, last longer. Clients usually come and get their hair done every week or every 2 weeks. You should have a couple of supplies to maintain your style or cut. A silk scarf or do-rag, Nairobi wrap lotion, hair wraps, pencil flatteners in case you gotta touch up some curls, and a rat tail comb. This style just gives elegance, classy, and confidence.